Ralph here once again, and we're looking at is the changes to Euler's constant or the natural log. Now we're looking at numpy. It used to be represented as numpy.exe. That's not going to work. You have to utilize numpy.e, and then you have to raise it to that power, whatever you're looking for there. And that will get it to work. I know in the documentation for numpy, it just goes numpy.e and it stops there, but you're going to have to raise it to a power. The second thing too is in representing the labeling. When you go to label through the legend, for example, you'll notice that little tilde there. It's going to bug the life out of you. What you have to do is take whatever you're raising it to and put it in brackets and representing the natural log, for example, as such. And if we go to run it again, and it pops up, you see now it raises it right there, and that tilde is gone. Hope this helps. Again, this is now changed to this. And in order to get that to look like that, you got to put it in brackets. Ralph signing off. I'll catch you all a little bit later on. Bye.